Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to save TikTok videos as drafts without posting. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your any TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now create a TikTok video by tapping the plus option at the bottom of the screen. You can change the duration of the new video. After that, you can either record a video, or upload a video from your gallery. Select any video. Then tap on Next. The video will appear on your screen. Tap on Next from the top right corner. You can further add filters or any other effects. Once you are satisfied with the video, tap on Next from the bottom right corner. Now you can add hashtags or make any changes as you like. If you want to post this video later, tap the Drafts button located next to the Post option. And your video has been saved as draft. You can open this draft anytime and post it. After making any change, you can save this again by tapping the Drafts button. To delete the draft, long press on it and tap Delete Draft. From the confirmation window, tap Delete. And the draft video has been deleted. So in this way, you can save TikTok videos as drafts without posting. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.